Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're asked if x1 is less than x2 and f is a decreasing function, then f of x1 is greater than f of x2. This is the definition of a decreasing function, which states as the inputs, in this case x1, x2, and any other x, as the inputs increase, the outputs, in this case f of x1, f of x2, decrease. Therefore, if we're going from x1 to x2, where x1 is less than x2, the function over this point decreases, right? Not the best graph because this doesn't decrease the whole way, but let's say it decreases from this point to this point. If x1 is less than x2, then f of x1 is at a higher value and it's greater than f of x2. Therefore, just by the definition of a decreasing function itself, this is true.